Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, we have a Dooney and Bourke unboxing. So let's go ahead and cut the tape, y'all, and see what we got. I hope everyone is having a very, very happy new year. And if you are watching and you are not subscribed and you feel like you would want to see more of my content as you continue to watch, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Alright, y'all. I see something a little bit familiar. So, y'all, this bag is going to apply to a hashtag for this month. And we can take a look at the book too, just in case. See if there's anything different in here. Okay, looks like it's one I shared before in a previous video where it shows the shoes and the colors of the shoes for Dooney and Bourke, and the canvas collection. More of the canvas collection. Very pretty. Do you all have anything from the canvas collection yet? I don't have any canvas collection pieces. Not from this particular collection. I have some that I've opened and shared from the What TF Did I Order videos, but nothing from the new canvas collection. My pieces are probably considered vintage. The most recent one was the one I shared in the closeout for Denim December. But those are pretty bags. So let's go ahead and get to unwrapping, y'all. So what I'm going to do in this video is unwrap this particular bag. Give you all a close-up so you can see everything with it. And I'm also going to share the other pieces of the same color from this collection. And if you do not know, this is a Dooney and Bourke Art Deco. It's from the Art Deco collection. But this particular silhouette is called it says satchel here, white satchel, but it is a barrel satchel. I have another satchel that I'm going to share with you. So that's why I wanted to specify that this one is indeed a barrel. And it doesn't say it on here either. It just says satchel. But you can see that it's a barrel. But y'all, this was the silhouette in this particular color that I did not have. I do have this silhouette in black, but the white one I didn't. So y'all, when I caught the sale on this particular silhouette, and I think I was able to use a coupon as well, I went ahead and got it. But the hashtag that this is for this month, I would absolutely put this in the joyful bag January category. I don't think you can look at this particular bag and not feel some kind of joy with all of these colors. This was my absolute favorite print, I would probably say, in addition to the plumes for 2024, which was last year for the it came out in the summer. I think it came out in the summer. I don't think it debuted as early as spring. But I'll just say spring, summer is when it initially came out. And y'all, I thought this was so pretty. I loved all the colors of it and how it can really go with any outfit. And it's just a bright and cheery bag to me. So this is it, you all. It does have feet, as you can see. And one thing that I do like about the barrel, certain barrels from Dooney and Bourke, it has the hardware here for the shoulder strap versus having to actually clip it to the hardware that's holding the handles on, there's an additional loop here for it. So I will go ahead and show you all the inside. Now this opening, it is a little bit tighter than the pebble grain barrels that I have shared, where the zipper comes all the way down to the side. This one does not. But let's go ahead and take a peek inside, and then I can show you the pieces I have that match it and the accessories as well. Alright, y'all, so the inside, as you can see, this is the back side of it. So on the front side, it does have just the 2 slip pockets with the leather trim on the pockets, the key leash here, Dooney and Bourke authentication label, and then on the back side, it has the Dooney and Bourke leather patch with the zipper pocket, registration card, a sticker, and a slip pocket. And the key keeper that I have here outside of the bag that has the strap still attached. Not sure why they put gunmetal on the key keeper and gold everywhere else. I guess because it's absolutely gonna stay inside of the bag. I don't know. But that's the interior of it, y'all. And I will go ahead and show you my other pieces that I have that match this. Very, very bright, vibrant, joyful print. And this is coated cotton, so it does not come with a dust bag. I've said before in previous videos, I think that all bags should come with a dust bag, especially when it has leather trim on it that still needs to be protected. And it does have the leather piping around the side as well. And you all, I think some of these silhouettes are still available. I know I saw the small tote. You know, I don't know why I did not realize that there were 2 different size I think it's called a tassel tote. 2 different size tassel totes available. I thought it was only the small, but I did notice during one of the sales that there's actually a small and like a regular size tassel tote that's offered in this print as well, or was. I don't know if it's still available or not. But this is the barrel satchel, as I said. This is the zip satchel. And then my accessories for it, the cosmetics case, and the large zip around wallet. And this satchel, it does come with the shoulder strap just like that one as well. And I shared this in a short video that I put another crossbody strap on it when I carried it. Now this one, unlike the barrel satchel, it does not have the additional loops here to put the strap on. So these, you do actually have to clip the strap or shoulder strap to the hardware that holds the handles versus having that additional option there. So that is another difference between the actual zip satchel versus the barrel. And then of course my matching wallet. Y'all, I was in this wallet and out, mostly in a lot last year. And that's because of the colors. It can easily be paired with really any color solid bag. Can easily be paired with it. And then the same with the cosmetics case. I was able to use this. Even if I did not use the wallet, I could use the cosmetics case with countless bags. If you take a closer look, really all of the colors in here are or have been offered by Dooney and Bourke in one of the in probably a pebble grain. Like, they usually would have one of these leathers, one of these colors in a pebble grain leather has been offered or is currently still offered now or previously. Even the two different blues. So that looks like Caribbean blue. That looks like the Azure, I believe that's how you say it. And that looks more like French blue. So it's like all three blues there together. Or I would say probably sky blue. And that looks more like Caribbean blue. So Kelly green and then the grass. So very, very pretty collection, you all. So I'm glad to have all, well, both satchels. The only other silhouette that this has other than the tassel tote is there's also like a regular shoulder tote, and then there is, or was, the Luna shoulder bag, which is a small like hobo, moon-shaped hobo. And then there's a crossbody, which was, I believe, a north-south crossbody. But these are the silhouettes that I have, which are these two satchels and then the accessories to match. So I have the same in the black, and I believe I featured excuse me, I believe I featured those in another video as well. Excuse me. But this does actually complete my Dooney and Bourke Art Deco collection in white. So you all, not a long video. I hope you all enjoyed this one. Let me know if you are or are not a fan of the white Art Deco or black Art Deco collection. And I'm curious to see if possibly they would come out with another color. It would be fun to see this in a different trim possibly, as well as a different background. So say, for example, like a black trim on it, and then have different background colors. And these colors here could probably remain the same, but if you have black trim and then maybe like a gray background, something like that, to kind of change it up, I believe that would be fun. Or even a black trim, y'all, with a red background, and then make the red so that it can still show up. Maybe interchange it, make it black or something like that. I think that would be a fun twist to it. But they definitely did well with doing the black collection and the white collection, because you can't go wrong with either one. You're definitely going to find something for it to match. But I would be interested to see a different leather trim on it, to see black leather trim on the next collection, if they do it again. So I think that would be fun. Comment below, you all. Let me know what you all think. I look forward to reading you all's comments. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.